Sunday morning sidewalk.
It's sending me something. It could be a message. Could be a bomb. Is it a bomb? Shields up!
There are no shields on board the Hill.
Why not?
30 meters. 20 meters. 10.
The Sunday morning sidewalk. On the Sunday morning sidewalk.
All of this necessary?
Yes?
Please analyze the patrol sample.
Um,
Just one thing, the entire room is filled with argon. Just try not to rip your suit.
On the Sunday morning sidewalk.